Vice President Professor Yemi Osinbajo delivered a massive show at a tourism event in Lagos. The professor of law treated audience with Kiss Daniel's hit single "Buga" before jumping on Ashake's "Organize" and Burna Boy's "Last Last."
That song, Buga, of course, was sung by Kiss Daniel. The phrase Buga is a Yoruba expression. It means flaunt your hard-won success. Take the fruits of your work. Take the opportunity, all your successes. Show off your successes. Don't sit down there thinking my success is too small. Really, show it off. Many all over the world, and many people all over the world, are squaring up their shoulders and saying, it doesn't matter how hard it seems. It doesn't matter how hard it looks. I must show off my own success, no matter how little it may seem to others. It may seem to you that it's small, but I'm just going to Buga anyway. And he'll be performing. And he'll be performing the song at Qatar, the Qatar World Cup in a few days. He'll be performing that song. I'm sure many of us also know Burna Boy, a Nigerian Afrobeat star. He performed in front of 70,000 people in the Finland's Flow Festival in 2022, just this year, singing songs like Last Last. How many people know Last Last? I just want to know how old you are, because all you old folks, there's no way you're going to know Last Last. Okay, so how many people know Last Last? Yeah. He don't cast Last Last. Everybody go chop breakfast. So you will chop breakfast too. Now, in Pidgin English, this man sang this song in Pidgin English to a Scandinavian audience of 70,000 people, and they enjoyed it. They didn't even know what it meant. What does it mean to say, don't cast, last, everybody go chop breakfast? No last. Yeah. He don't cast, last, everybody go chop breakfast. So you will chop breakfast too. Now, in Pidgin English, this man sang this song in Pidgin English to a Scandinavian audience of 70,000 people, and they enjoyed it. They didn't even know what it meant. What does it mean to say, don't cast, last, everybody go chop breakfast? But of course there is wisdom in it if you choose to find out. It means that at the end, we're all going to matter. We're all going to succeed. At the end, last is at the end, we'll all chop breakfast. All of us, whether we are chopping breakfast now or not, one day you too will chop breakfast. That song is also the first Afrobeat song to have sold over 500,000 units in the first 17 weeks of its release. First 17 weeks, it sold over 500,000 units and is now been certified for gold in the USA. So this is a great song, accepted all over the world. Another Nigerian artist, Ashake, I'm sure you all know Ashake. Who knows Ashake? You know Ashake. Who sings I know all these old folks. I can see you all. There's no way you're going to know them, but we'll teach you. We'll teach you. Ashake, who sings in Pidgin English. Of course, you know he sang the song, Organize. Every other day I organize. Some of us are wise. Every other person overwise. You don't know the song. Anyway, I'll teach you. Let me tell you. So this song is saying, organize. Every other day I organize. Some of us are wise. Every other person overwise. You don't know the song. Anyway, I'll teach you. Let me tell you. So this song is saying, organize. Every other day I organize. Some of us are wise. Every other person overwise. So the song ridicules those who think they're too smart. I know there are so many people who think they're smarter than everybody else. So this song is saying, come on. We're all wise. We're all smart. Don't ever think that you are smarter than everybody else. Now, these are street slangs. these songs are street slangs in Lagos and perhaps in some other urban parts of Nigeria. But the world loves it. And this particular artist, Ashake, in his show at the O2 Arena in Brixton in the UK, sold out to an international audience in less than 5 minutes. As soon as the tickets were put online, in less than 5 minutes, the show had sold out. And then, of course, see how the Black Panther movie and its sequel, the Black Panther Wakanda Forever, has taken the world by storm, breaking box office records, making in excess of $330 million in sales in its first week. And it's an important movie because it proved a point that Africans, local and diaspora, can, using music, actors, producers, and technical people who are African, create a movie that is outstanding cinematic and technical achievement all by itself. You see you go, lo, lo, lo. Okay, let's sing it. So let's sing it together. Osinbajo, let me see you go, lo, lo, lo. Let me see you go, lo, lo, lo. Buga. No. Wait a minute. You know the Buga has to be a real Buga.